Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to add and remove PayPal slash credit cards from your PlayStation account. So basically if you want to remove it or add it, if you want to purchase something, etc. So there's two ways to do this. So the first way you guys can do is go to the PlayStation Store. From here you're going to go all the way to the right where the three horizontal dots are, click more. And then from here, you're going to go to payment methods. And then from here, you can go ahead and add your PayPal account or your credit card slash debit card. Now, that is the first way. The second method you guys can do is go to settings. From settings, go to users and accounts. And then from users and accounts, go to, accounts, and then payment and subscription. From here, you can go ahead and click on payment methods, and it's the same thing. You can go ahead and add your PayPal or credit slash debit card. And yeah, once you do that, you should be good to go. You can also view your transaction history from here, and yeah, you should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.